nervous at the same time. Of course, this video is gonna go right here. Hey y'all, as you can see, I go right into opening this package. You know how it be when you get a package, you be excited. Plus, Amazon shipped fast, so that was a plus. It came days earlier than it was supposed to come. So yeah, I go right into opening my package. I did spend way less than $500. I spent less than $200. Yes, I am already a certified lash technician, so I did already have a lot of products, plus having products that were given to me. So right now I'm just unboxing the things that I did order. So for my rebrand, I am doing eyelash strips. So if that's something you're interested in, this is a good video for you to be watching. So the things I order have to do with new lengths, eyelash decals, eyelash glitter, just small materials like that. I use the term serial entrepreneur in my title because ever since the age of 17, I've been starting endeavors, like ramming into them, going into them head first, basically going in blind, not knowing exactly my goals or how this will, just not knowing how, just sort of being foolish and blind with it, not knowing what's next after it, not knowing what would keep me motivated. So those are some things to, sit and question yourself about a little bit when you're alone, to always think about what's next, or what am I doing this for? Do you know? It's okay to not know how something is going to work out, but you should know your why, so that you know how it's going to benefit you long term. So like the intentions behind the businesses I was making and investing in, they were good, because it's like, yeah, I like that, other people will like it too. But the motivations behind it were kind of just like, yeah, I want some money. I feel like when you start, or when you become an entrepreneur behind something that you can actually be creative with, and you actually like it, there's a passion behind it, you'll care more, you'll be more motivated, you'll grow, experiment more, and you'll want to continue investing. Now for me with lashing, I feel like it helps me so much with focusing. It's one of those, like, you really got to pay attention to what you're doing. So around right here, I realized I ordered a product that was incorrect. I am going to show you guys what I ordered, but if this is something you would like to do, you'll just have to remember that a website is also involved. So you'll have to budget in the website, budget in if you want to go basically pro with it and get you an LLC. Now, in my order cart, I will say there are no actual lash singles and things like that, because I already have those things. So you'll have to remember that. I'm sure my video isn't the only video you guys will watch when it comes to something like this. Yeah. Alright, so what you guys are about to see next are my carts that I ordered, the things that I ordered, and you'll see how much I basically spent to start my rebrand, which isn't including my website, but expect to spend $15 to $30 a month on a website, and that's not much. Like, it's really easy to get you your own business set up. I will say I tried Taylor Brands. I really kept trying Taylor Brands, and their website was just not working for me. So yeah, in the end, I'm just going to be talking a little bit. This whole time I was talking and my camera was not even on. Okay, so this is about the rebrand of my business. I'm still dressed how I was in my other video because sorry. The rebrand of my business, and I've been tinkering back here. So this is a set I'm working on right now on the little head. A couple that I closed up already. I'm gonna offer a variety of things on there, but just this is a little bit of what it's gonna look like. I grabbed a pack so that we can put one together on cam, and I'm gonna add this inside here, even though it's one right there, and probably one of my business cards. But I want to get new business cards, so I might not add them in starting right now. So I'll go like this. Oh, the baggy kind. Okay, it's perfect. It's perfect because I would have tripped out. Made sure I looked at the sizes. Had to reorder so that I would have the package with the glitter in it. So yeah, I would have been a little ticked. Boop. And then they're gonna go in little nail baggies, and I already have some. So nice, so nice. So I'm excited. This is what I'm looking like. I'm gonna finish this that I got going. I just wanted to show y'all what I've been up to and let y'all know that it's very, 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 very inexpensive to go ahead and start up something that you start up working for yourself. It's very inexpensive, and I recommend that people just go for it, because why not? Plus, I know with me, I walk up out of jobs, like for real. So I'm very excited. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. That's probably why I cut this camera on, to try to boost my shit, like boost me up a little bit, to feel like keep going. I swear to God, just keep going. Everything's gonna be okay. Somehow everything's gonna fall into place. Promote, and like just be serious, calm down, have a plan, just remain peaceful, calm, collected, set specific day, like once orders come in, making sure I choose a specific day, or once I have a certain amount of orders, to just grab them, get out there, get them out there, sent, come back, make sure I remain creative with the lashing and promoting my own self and doing them on my own self. Shoot, I think it's just gonna be dope. So, and of course I'm gonna be my own little walking billboard as of right now. So I need to style mine up, baby. Now, I can't wait to see what kinds of ideas people have to, you know, make me push myself further. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this set. I might let y'all just go ahead and watch me a little bit until I get tired of this bright light and stuff. I'm so can't. I'm tired. I'm trying not to like rush into it, but at the same time be too slow. Like, this is how I've been doing it. Just sitting or stretching my legs out and laying on my stomach and doing it. But honestly, don't be doing like, unless you want to be a hunchback. Yeah, so I'm nervous. I was listening to music, but you know YouTube. You know how YouTube do. So I can't play none. I'm about to cut my camera off because of my storage. Cutting my camera off because of the storage, but made a little bit more progress. Like, you get quicker over time. I'm trying to learn my little spikies, but I can't. Let me back up with my greasy face. Yeah, so good night, y'all. Well, really, good night, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope it was informational for y'all, very informal for y'all. Let me know if y'all decide to start businesses, or if you want to know, you know, just anything. Ask. I'm excited and scared at the same time, and don't know if I want to share this video at all. I don't know, getting hit with a wave of, am I sure I want to do this? But it's like, why not? Why not? You know, why not? Just sometimes I feel like I'd be overwhelmed by, like, dang, what if something more than what I feel like I can even handle at the moment. And that's normally what happens sometimes. I'd be like, whoop, and then, oh no. So sorry. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, hope it was informational, informal,